Hello guys, it's up boy here again, and I'm here with this new update. I want to show you guys this website that you can mine Litecoin for free, and you can also do some simple tasks on the website so they can pay you more Litecoin, and you can withdraw straight to your wallet. If you don't have a crypto wallet, you have to open one. You can download Bybit or BitGet on your app store and create a crypto wallet. So let me open the website here. As you can see, this is the website. You can see it. As you can see, and I'm currently mining automatically from this website. But I'll show you some other ways you can earn on this website. As you can see here now, level 1, level 2. I'm currently in level 1 because I'm using a new account. Let me show you this tax. Look at this place. You can perform this lucky number. Just come here and click on row. Out of spin. Please upgrade your plan to get more spin. Okay, I'm currently out of spin. So you can see it. I have 0 spin left. But sometimes if you do tax, they will give you some spin. Or if you refer users also, they will give you some spin. So this is the main place here. This tax, come to this place, tax. As you can see here now, this is the first tax. Share on X, which is Twitter. Share your post on X. Copy the post URL and submit with your wallet address. Once you share the post like this link, this website link on Twitter, you copy the post URL and paste it here. Then you drop your Litecoin wallet address. They are gonna credit you. This is the main one here. This is the second one. Let me see the second one. But this one you don't know earn higher. As you can see here, they say earn from 0.01 Litecoin to 2 Litecoin for each YouTube review on this website. The channel of your YouTube video must be public. You must have at least 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and you must make an original video, not a copyright. And the video must contain human voice. You just make a video like this one you are watching now, like something like this one I'm doing now, because after making this video I'll actually post the link here, the URL here, so they can pay me for this video. So just make a video like this and paste it here and copy the link to the video on your YouTube channel and paste it here. Then you drop your Litecoin wallet address here. That's it. They are going to pay it directly to your wallet. And this is where, if you are referring users, you come here and check. If you want to refer users, you come here and copy your link, your referral link. So once people register through this your link, you are going to earn 15% commission. So as you can see, this is a new account. This is a new account. I just opened this one to make this video for you guys. So actually, you see my link on the video description. So click it and sign up and start doing your own simple tasks so you can earn from this website. Let me go back to the dashboard. As you can see, and it's counting automatically. The thing is just the site will be mining for you. 0.0 bonus. Okay, this bonus I got. If you want to withdraw, this is where you're gonna withdraw. The minimum withdraw is 0.01, and here you paste your Litecoin wallet address and press withdraw. Okay, everything, and they'll send the money, the coin, directly to your wallet. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and share this video and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I post any video like this, you will be one of the first people to get notified. Thank you.